Number 40. 40. Let's count. How much is the value of 40? 4 tens and 0 ones make 40. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.